A factory reset on your Acer monitor is a powerful troubleshooting tool that restores your display to its original manufacturer settings. This process can resolve many common display problems you might encounter. When you perform a factory reset, multiple categories of settings return to their original values. This includes all display settings like brightness and contrast, color configurations, input source settings, and advanced features. Here's what a typical Acer monitor settings menu looks like. You can see various adjustable parameters like brightness set to 65, contrast at 50, and options for blue light filtering and other display enhancements. Factory resets are particularly useful for resolving three main types of problems: color calibration issues, where displays show oversaturated or incorrect colors; connectivity troubles with intermittent signal loss; and menu problems where controls become unresponsive. As of 2024 and 2025, Acer has significantly improved their monitor reset systems. They've standardized procedures across all monitor lines, making the process much more intuitive. This has led to an 85% success rate in resolving display issues through factory resets. Understanding what a factory reset accomplishes and when to use it is the first step in effectively troubleshooting your Acer monitor. In the next section, we'll walk through the actual reset process step by step. There are three primary methods to factory reset your Acer monitor. We'll walk through each method step by step, starting with the most common approach. Method 1 uses the on-screen display menu and is the most reliable approach. First, locate the menu button on your monitor. This is typically found on the bottom or side of your monitor frame. Press the menu button to open the on-screen display. You'll see various menu options appear on your screen. Navigate to either the System menu or Setup menu, depending on your monitor model. Look for options labeled Factory Reset, Reset All, or Default Settings. In this example, you can see the Reset option highlighted in the menu. This is typically found in the System or Setup section. Select the Reset option and confirm when prompted. The monitor will display a confirmation dialog asking if you want to proceed. Select Yes or OK to confirm the factory reset. After confirming, wait for the monitor to restart automatically. This process typically takes 10 to 30 seconds. You'll see the screen go black briefly before the monitor powers back on with factory default settings. Method 2 uses a button combination and works when the menu system is not accessible. First, turn off your monitor completely using the power button. Method 3 uses a physical reset button found on some Acer monitor models. This small button is typically located on the back panel near the other ports and connections. After performing any factory reset method, your monitor will return to its original settings. You may need to readjust brightness, contrast, and other preferences to match your viewing environment. The reset process resolves most display issues and provides a fresh start for your monitor configuration.